Children, today we are going to do activity. We will make Santa Claus with craft paper. So children, take two paper, red and white craft paper. See, the right one and the red one. Keep the right craft paper inside. Now we are going to make a triangle fold. See children, now open it. Can you see there is a middle line? Now we will join this both sides to middle line. See children, now from here make a fold. Now again make a fold. Again make a fold, a small fold. Now the remaining part, make a fold from inside. See children, now take red and black color and make an eye. Now make a nose. See children, now take a cotton, make a roll. On the top, you have to stick it. Put a glue. See children, our Santa Claus is ready.